The Kanji Kentei is a kanji proficiency test aimed at native Japanese speakers to test their knowledge of kanji. Also known as kanken, the test has 12 levels from 10 to 1, 10 being the easiest. You can see here that the number of kanjis required steadily increases and then rapidly increases as you get to the top 4 levels. Levels 2 and 1 are split in half, Pre-2, 2, Pre-1 and 1. The average Japanese person can probably pass up to level 3 without much study. Pre-2 and above require hardcore studying. Now let's look at the type of questions that will come up. First, reading and writing kanji, of course. Unlike the JLPT, you have to actually handwrite the answers on the test paper. You also must know the stroke count and order for each kanji. Next, we have stroke endings. You must identify whether there is a hook at the end of the stroke or not. Okurigana is also tested, as well as the on and kun readings. Antonyms and synonyms will be tested, so you need to understand the meaning of the kanji. You must also know the names of all radicals and which kanjis have which base radical. Kanji compounds are tested from 2 to 4 character compounds. You must also understand how the compounds were formed. 4 kanji idioms and expressions known as yojijukugo come up to haunt us. Finally, in the upper levels, you must be able to read special kanji readings like ateji, as well as being able to read classical kanji. Don't panic, not all questions appear on all levels. Starting with level 10, let's run through which questions appear on each level. So, is the Kanji Kentei that difficult? Well, the passing score is 80% for levels 10 to 8 and 2 to 1, but 70% for levels 7 to Pre-2. Looking at the data from previous exams, the average pass rate of people taking the test starts at a whopping 95% for level 10. Easy! But gradually, as the test gets harder, the percentages fall until we reach a measly 10% pass rate at level 1. So what are the benefits of taking the Kanji Kentei? First, you will learn kanji the native way. The Japanese government decides which kanji children must learn from elementary school to high school, and in what order. This also aligns with the Kanji Kentei levels. Second, the JLPT N1 is kind of a glass ceiling for some learners. Widely regarded as fluency in Japanese, in reality it doesn't test if you can write Japanese. The Kanji Kentei is a way of showing that you can actually write Japanese. This can be seen as a positive to some employers in Japan. Finally, you can truly understand the meaning and history behind Japanese kanji. Rather than just translating the characters into English, you will have a deep, nuanced understanding of the meaning of each character. The Kanji Kentei can be taken nationwide in Japan 3 times a year, as well as a limited number of locations worldwide. It is slowly expanding as more foreigners become interested in taking the test. So you're wondering how to get started? Check your level by googling Kanji Kentei Mondaire. The first result will bring up the official Kanji Kentei website with example test papers and answers to check your level, as well as plenty of resources and textbooks to help you study. Make sure you check out benkyogo.co.uk for more hints, tips, resources and reviews to self-study Japanese. Thanks for watching!